Hey everyone! We all love WhatsApp. It's a great communication tool that lets us stay in touch with friends. But did you know that it's got lots of hidden features you can use to customize and personalize your experience on it? Here's a bunch of tips you can use for WhatsApp. First, can you say for sure who your WhatsApp bestie is? Who's that special person that you talk to most of all? Here's an easy way to find out. Go to Settings and find Storage and Data. Then tap Manage Storage. Here, you'll see a list of contacts at the bottom. Their order will tell you which contacts take the most storage, meaning the most messages. As you probably know, when you type in a message and send it to someone, you can see whether this person has read it or not, thanks to those two annoying ticks that make any of us self-conscious. By default, when you receive this message, there are two gray ticks, which, when they've read the message, turn blue. If you don't want someone to see you've read their message, this trick is for you. What you should do is go to Settings and then Account. Now tap on Privacy. Here you can toggle this little option called Read Receipts. So now people won't know when you've read their message. But it does go both ways. If you use this tip, the ticks on all messages will remain gray forever, so you won't be able to tell when they've read your messages either. But at least no one will ever be left on read again. Speaking of privacy, if you don't want to share your WhatsApp status with the entire world, you can select Account, then Privacy, then Status, and then choose the specific contacts that you want to share your status with. You can either select only a few people or allow all your contacts to see your status except for those few you'd like to hide it from. If you want, you can also choose to hide when you've last visited WhatsApp. In the Privacy menu, select Last Seen. Here, you can choose either Nobody or indicate the people of your choice who will know when you were last seen on WhatsApp. Here's a few simple texting tips. If you want to make your message as bold, simply put an asterisk at the beginning and end of the desired word or sentence. You can use the same technique for italics. Just put an underscore on either side of the text. If you want to strike through text, you'll need to add a tilde to the beginning and end. Seems too complicated? There's an easier way that will save time. Highlight the passage in question, then press this icon, and just choose from bold, italic, strike through, or monospace. Here's another simple one. Let's say you're chatting with your friends, and your group mates flood the chat with new messages. Here's an easy way to quickly respond to older messages. Choose the message you need, and swipe right on it. It'll instantly create a reply window. This way, you can respond to old messages and bring them to the surface of your conversation. Want to know for sure who has read your group messages? All you need to do is hold on to your message and highlight it, and then press Info. And there you go. Now you can check when their message was delivered to their devices and who has or hasn't viewed it. There are also several wallpaper options you can choose from on WhatsApp. While in the chat, tap on the contact name. Now tap Wallpaper and Sound, and then choose a new wallpaper. Here, you can browse the wallpaper options, like for example, these solid colors. Pick the one you like, set it as the background, and there you go. The app has a bunch of other more exciting wallpapers available to you, but if you want, you can also select any photo from your storage as a wallpaper. I prefer something neutral to protect my eyes from sensory overload. And as you can see, you can also set a custom notification sound for each chat. Just press here, and then scroll through tons of different sounds to choose the one you like. And now, every time you get notifications from a specific chat, you'll know for sure who's trying to contact you. Did you know that WhatsApp lets you play with your photos in chat? Press the camera icon, then choose the picture, and have a look at the toolbar on the top of the screen. This smiley face is the emoji and sticker menu. Now you can add any emoji you want and adjust its size and angle. If you choose something like one of these hand signs, for example, you can also adjust the skin tone. Tap and hold the emoji you wish to edit and select the color you want. To add text, just press the T at the top. By default, the message will look like this. But what if you want to change the font? While editing the text, press on the T at the top, and then keep pressing until you found the font you like. And of course, you can change the color here as well. Don't worry if you've made a mistake the first time. Each new element can be pressed on and adjusted at any time. If you want to customize it even further, you can play with line thickness. First, tap on the pencil icon, then tap and hold on the color palette until the pencil icon turns into a dot. Now keep your finger on the screen and swipe right or left to increase or decrease the size. Very handy if you'd like to draw a detailed sketch for your friend. Aside from emojis, you also have access to stickers, which are also available to use in chat. Just press the little sticker icon on the right. From here, you can press the plus icon and choose some new stickers that will enrich your library. Try to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find out this list is virtually bottomless. You'll definitely find the perfect match. Good news! You can use all of these options while customizing your GIFs or posting your status. Here's a quick example. While in chat, press the sticker icon, but then switch to GIFs down below. Then pick your favorite and enjoy all the same customization options. Did you know you can make WhatsApp messages automatically disappear after 7 days? Let's say you're having a top secret chat with your friend and you want to make sure it stays that way. While in chat, press on the name of the contact and scroll down from here. You'll see disappearing messages. As you can see, you have the option of making every message in your chat disappear automatically after 1, 7, or 90 days. This is a great way to keep chats clear. Of course, if you'd like to save any messages on your chat, make sure you do so before they disappear. There's also a clever way you can add WhatsApp contacts to your home screen. This solution is perfect for the very special people in your life whom you contact frequently. To add a contact to your phone's home screen, first, open up the app Shortcuts. Here, press All Shortcuts, then the plus symbol on the top right, and then Add Action. From here, you can go to Apps, then find WhatsApp, then choose from the list of actions you can take. We're going to choose Send Message via WhatsApp. You can then add a recipient or group chat. It's up to you. Then press this blue icon here and press Add to Home Screen. You can customize the name of the shortcut before pressing Add, and there you go. Now you can perform this function with just one press. This works for other apps too, so it's worth a look if you'd like to optimize your iPhone experience. And now, the final tip for today. Type 123 in chat, and you'll get notified every time a certain person starts thinking about texting you. You'll gain access to all of their thoughts and message drafts. No, I'm just kidding. Let's hope that a technology like that will never be invented. But I hope you've enjoyed the rest of these tips to fully take control of your WhatsApp experience.